If you're trying to pick a CRM right now, you quickly realize it's about so much more than just dragging a deal card from one side of your screen to the other. There is a massive shift happening right now in how these platforms handle our daily automation and customer data. HubSpot has evolved into this massive, interconnected universe that pulls marketing, sales, and operations all into the same room. Meanwhile, Pipedrive is still happily sticking to what it does best, being a highly focused, distraction-free workspace built exactly for the people out there selling. We really need to look at how these two different styles handle your actual daily workload to find the right fit. Starting with the foundational layer of any CRM, how we store and interact with contact data looks entirely different on these two platforms. Inside HubSpot, contact management operates as a centralized source of truth for your entire company. When we open a contact record, we see a complete, unified timeline that logs every marketing email opened, every website page visited, and every support ticket submitted alongside standard sales calls. This deep context is incredibly valuable for cross-departmental alignment, though keeping this massive database clean requires strict data hygiene and administrative oversight. On the flip side of that approach, Pipedrive structures its contact logs with a strict sales-first philosophy. Instead of pulling in massive amounts of marketing noise, the interface centers directly on sales activities and chronological relationship tracking. We can quickly view a visual interaction graph that explicitly highlights when we last touched a prospect, making it obvious whether a lead is going cold or needs breathing room. It lacks the multi-department scope of HubSpot, but for a fast-moving sales team, it keeps information clean and accessible without any added configuration clutter. Moving forward into daily operations, the way we visually track active deals reveals the core structural difference between these platforms. Pipedrive is essentially built around its visual Kanban pipeline, and it continues to deliver the most intuitive drag-and-drop deal tracking on the market. We can set up unlimited custom pipelines and unique stages within minutes, and the system uses clear visual indicators like deal rotting alerts that turn cards red when an opportunity stalls. The interface is clean, showing deal values and scheduled next actions up front, so our reps can manage their day without jumping through menus. Looking at HubSpot's pipeline management, the system is certainly capable and offers similar drag-and-drop board views, but the experience feels like one feature inside a much larger software engine. We can customize deal stages and apply automated workflows as deals advance, but the setup process takes more clicks and a bit more training to master. HubSpot shines when a deal needs to trigger automated handoffs between marketing assets or customer service queues, but for pure deal velocity and visual clarity, Pipedrive's specialized focus gives sales reps a smoother day-to-day experience. Shifting our focus to the top of the funnel, capturing and qualifying prospects requires very different tools depending on the platform scale we choose. HubSpot tackles lead management with its native inbound marketing infrastructure. We can build custom landing pages, deploy native chatbots, and use predictive lead scoring to automatically rank prospects based on web behavior before routing them to sales. With the integration of its advanced intelligence tools, the platform automatically shortens forms for returning web visitors and detects corporate buying intent from anonymous traffic, creating a highly sophisticated lead generation engine. In contrast to that massive inbound approach, Pipedrive manages incoming prospects through its dedicated Lead Booster add-on and centralized leads inbox. Instead of running full-scale marketing campaigns, we utilize targeted tools like web forms, live chat, and a built-in prospector tool to pull clean outbound leads directly into a separate holding area. This prevents unverified leads from cluttering our active sales pipelines until they are officially qualified. It is an incredibly practical, self-contained setup for sales teams who want to handle their own prospecting without managing a complex marketing stack. HubSpot has deployed its Breeze AI system, which splits work between assistive utilities and autonomous agents. We can use the Breeze Assistant to instantly summarize long deal threads, draft personalized follow-ups, and build custom workflow formulas using plain natural language. Furthermore, its specialized prospecting and content agents can run entire multi-step outreach campaigns in the background, making it an incredibly powerful ecosystem if we operate on higher-tier enterprise plans. Meanwhile, Pipedrive addresses automation through its newly enhanced Pulse AI toolkit and native sales assistant features. Rather than trying to automate marketing or customer support, Pulse AI focuses entirely on optimizing deal momentum. The system continuously analyzes our pipeline data to surface real-time signals, automatically recommending the next best activity for specific deals and generating email drafts based on past interactions. It acts as a highly focused digital coach for individual reps, surfacing critical anomalies and at-risk opportunities directly inside the daily activity feed without the high costs of enterprise software. Analyzing our performance data requires a clear trade-off between instant visibility and deep analytical customization. Pipedrive approaches data reporting through its Insights dashboard, focusing heavily on clear sales metrics and activity tracking. We can easily build visual charts tracking won-loss ratios, pipeline velocity, and specific rep activities without needing an analytics degree. The platform's recent updates bring precise filtering and detailed email performance reports right to the front page, giving sales managers a fast, transparent look at team productivity without complex configuration. When we scale up to HubSpot's reporting engine, the analytical depth goes much deeper, though it demands more administrative setup to get right. HubSpot allows us to build multi-hub dashboards that track advanced revenue attribution, showing exactly which marketing campaign or blog post originally generated a closed-won deal months later. We can build highly complex custom reports spanning contact behavior, sales pipelines, and customer support metrics all in one place. It takes significantly more time to configure and maintain, but it provides the comprehensive data visibility that scaling organizations require. Ultimately, choosing between these two platforms depends entirely on your organizational structure. Let us know which workspace fits your current workflow in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.